Alright, if this thing will focus. I'm back out here at Bob Wallace Avenue, and as you may have seen just then earlier, there is a new foundation that was literally just poured based on how new that concrete is. So the new signal is going to be going up soon. In fact, right over there you can see where the old signal is, and the old base and foundation just laying over there. And also over there is the other old signal, which is still standing with no changes to it. However, I think the new signal is actually sitting right down the road over here, because there's on Long Ellen Drive there's a couple of Progress Rail trucks right down here with trailers, and one of them actually has a couple of signals on it. One of which is a gated mass signals. Yep, that one's headed for Mississippi. Gate knockdown, Highway 613, Mississippi export. It's a gated signal. It's got Western Hayes 12-inch lights with Harman, with the GE uniform look LEDs. The general signal's gate saver, and you can't really see it. Not sure how well you'll be able to see it, but there's a Siemens gate mechanism. That's the newer style with the cast and a Progress Rail base, but it's the newer style with the name cast on. Over there's a Progress Rail cantilever that I think is going to be for the HMCR. In fact, right there you can see I think that's the old cantilever arm. In fact, yeah, right there's the old cantilever arm sitting inside the new cantilever arm. So this right, so one signal's here for the HMCR, is for a railroad out in Mississippi. But yeah, we see here that this is Progress Rail's delivering the new signal, so delivered the new signals out here, so it'll probably be going up soon. So I should hopefully be able to get a new video of the new signal at the crossing soon. It's a nice little install. It's gonna look interesting. It's gonna be different. I'm banking on Western Hayes lights. So yeah, just a quick update to Bob Wallace Avenue here in Huntsville, Alabama. Over and out.